Look, if your e-commerce store takes forever to load, you're probably leaving money on the table. According to Google, if your site takes longer than 3 seconds, most visitors will bounce. And between 0 and 5 seconds, every extra second of delay drops your conversion rate by over 4%. Now, WooCommerce is a powerful e-commerce plugin, but it's also very demanding. And if you don't optimize it properly, it can slow down your store really fast. So a slow website isn't just annoying, it's silently costing you customers, and your competitors are taking full advantage. But that's about to change, my friends, because in this video, I'm giving you 6 proven tips to speed up your WooCommerce store so you can boost performance and convert more clicks into customers. Starting with the biggest mistake most store owners make. Let's talk image optimization. The biggest mistake most store owners make is uploading massive, unoptimized images to their product catalogs. And hey, I get it. Those high-resolution photos look amazing straight from your camera, but your server just wasn't built to juggle 24 megabytes of product images for dozens of customers at once. Big image files lead to slow product pages, and in e-commerce, every second counts. Most shoppers won't wait around for a photo to load. I know I won't. That's why image optimization is tip number 1 for speeding up your site. It's the process of reducing file sizes without sacrificing quality so your pages load faster, use less bandwidth, and deliver a smoother shopping experience. Now here's something most folks don't realize. Popular formats like JPEG and PNG just weren't made with web performance in mind. However, modern formats like WebP and AVIF can shrink file sizes dramatically while keeping your images sharp, and they're supported by many browsers online. Now you could manually resize and compress every image using tools like Photoshop or Affinity Photo, but let's be honest, that's just time consuming, especially if you're managing dozens or hundreds of products. Rather, if you're looking for a simple solution to handle all of this for you automatically, then you need to hear about Imagify. With just one click, it compresses, resizes, and converts your bulky JPEGs and PNGs into faster formats like WebP and AVIF, or without you having to fiddle with the settings. Just upload your images as usual, and Imagify works in the background using smart compression to balance quality and performance. The result? Beautiful product images that load fast on your product pages and don't keep your customers waiting. If you've already uploaded your media, I've got you covered. Use the bulk optimizer to compress your entire library in one go. You save bandwidth, reduce storage strain, and most importantly, your WooCommerce product pages will load way faster. Now, Imagify does have a free plan that's perfect for most users. And if you're uploading over 200 images a month or using larger files, there are affordable plans built for growing stores. Check the link in the description to get started. All right, on to tip number 2, caching. Here's the problem though. Every time someone visits your WooCommerce store, their browser sends a request to your server to load the entire page. I'm talking product info, images, scripts, styles, and basically everything. That process takes time, and as traffic grows, your server can slow down fast, especially during promotions or product launches. But that's where caching comes in. It creates and stores a static version of your page on the server, so instead of rebuilding the page from scratch for every visitor, it delivers a preloaded version instantly. Now you could set up full page caching manually with something like define wp_cache true and lines of other config code. But if you'd rather skip the hassle, WP Rocket makes this effortless. It's the most powerful performance plugin for WordPress that automatically enables page caching for both desktop and mobile users right after activation. No configuration needed. And here's the WooCommerce magic. WP Rocket automatically detects your store and smartly excludes critical pages like your cart, your checkout, and your My Account pages from being cached. So everything works exactly as it should for your customers. But it doesn't just stop at caching. Unlike other plugins that only speed up your site with basic page caching, WP Rocket applies 80% of modern web performance best practices out of the box. So again, no technical setup and no code. And if you want more control, there are other additional features like delayed JavaScript, lazy loading, and database cleanup, to mention a few, that you can turn on as your site grows. I've left a link in the description if you want to dive deeper into everything WP Rocket can do for your store. Now let's dive into the next tip. Tip number 3, optimize your JavaScript. Now, these days, standing out online takes more than just a great product. Your store needs that je ne sais quoi that makes people go, whoa, this feels legit. Now that magic, it's often powered by JavaScript, the behind the scenes tech that brings your site to life. Think sliders, pop-ups, sticky headers, product filters. That's all JavaScript doing its thing to make sure your store feels smooth, dynamic, and just a bit more expensive. But here's the catch. The more features you pile on, the more JavaScript your browser has to load. And when that isn't optimized, your site feels like it's stuck in molasses. So the fix? Optimize your JavaScript. That means removing unused scripts and delaying the non-critical ones so your store loads faster and becomes interactive sooner. Now sure, if you're a developer, you could go in and manually tweak script tags with things like async and defer, but if you'd rather not risk breaking something 5 minutes before a sale, let WP Rocket do the heavy lifting. It comes with a built-in optimization tool that lets you defer JavaScript loading and delay execution all with a couple of clicks. Just head to the File Optimization tab, toggle a few options, hit save, and then, boom, you've just made your WooCommerce site leaner, faster, and smoother for every shopper. So if you want your store to get that extra edge, the link is in the description. Go speed that thing up with WP Rocket. Tip number 4, use a CDN to help with global delivery. No, I'm not talking about the delivery of your physical products. I'm talking about delivering your actual website to your customer's device. Now imagine you've got customers in Florida, USA, but your server is based in Paris. Now the people in Paris, they'll get your site pretty quickly. But for your Florida customers, that's a slow trip. That extra distance creates what we call latency, and that slows everything down. A CDN solves this by storing copies of your site on servers all around the world. That way, your site loads from the closest location to your visitors. So whether your customers are in Dubai, Australia, or India, they'll experience a faster and smoother experience on their devices. Now, if you want a CDN that's secure, simple, and easy to use, check out Rocket CDN. Now, Rocket CDN works perfectly with WP Rocket, our performance plugin, but even if you've got your own setup, you can still integrate it into WP Rocket. So installing a CDN is the easiest way to boost your store speeds for a global audience. If you want to check out Rocket CDN, the link will be in the description as well, so you can check it out today. Tip number 5, clean up your setup. Now with WordPress, it's super easy to add new features with plugins and themes. But before you know it, you're sitting on a pile of unused plugins, old themes, and a bloated database. And all of that behind the scene junk, that isn't exactly performance friendly. If your site looks like this, then it's probably time for a little spring cleaning. But don't just stop at themes and plugins. Also clear out spammy comments, trash posts, and old revisions. In my agency days, I had a client with over 10,000 spam comments on a single blog post. Just removing those shaved 2 full seconds off her load time. If you don't want to mess with cPanel or risk breaking something in your database tables, then I recommend using WP Rocket's built-in database cleaning tool. It handles everything for you. It's simple, safe, and done in seconds. Now, for most stores, this tip might not bring any major speed boost on its own, but it's a healthy habit to keep your site lean and clean. So let's move to the most important tip that could have the biggest impact on your site's performance. Now, you could do everything right. Optimize your images, install caching, clean your database, but if your hosting is slow, your site will still crawl. Think of hosting like the engine of your store. If it's underpowered, it doesn't matter how sleek or optimized the rest of your setup is, performance is going to suffer. Now, I've witnessed many WooCommerce sites hosted on shared hosting because, well, it's easy and cheap to set up. But as your store grows, more traffic, more products, more complexity, shared hosting just can't keep up. That's when you want to consider upgrading to a managed or cloud-based hosting provider optimized for WooCommerce. These hosts generally offer better scalability, faster performance, and tools tailored to e-commerce needs, like server-side caching, PHP workers, and staging environments. So if your store feels slow after trying the other tips in this video, it might be time to look under the hood. Upgrading your hosting is like swapping out your bicycle for a twin-turbo supercar with nitrous. The difference is instant. And with that, you're now equipped with 6 solid tips to supercharge your WooCommerce store's performance. I recommend starting with the fix that's easiest for you and work your way down. If you want links to any of the tools or resources we mentioned, check the description below. I've dropped everything there for you. And if you want to go even deeper on website performance, check out this next video where we break down how to optimize your site for speed.